everyone. Welcome to the Urban Sewing Society, where we bring fashion and creativity to your neighborhood. My name is Jen and I am the Urban Sewist. And if this is your first time tuning into my channel, please hit that subscribe button below and click on that bell so that you can get an update every time I release a new video. And also give me a thumbs up and leave me any comments after this video. So I'm so excited to announce that I am a finalist in the Sustainable Fashion Week contest. Yay! So I reached out to a bunch of my followers and asked them to please vote for my design, and I am one of the 5 finalists. So I'm really excited. So this haul that I'm going to share with you today is all about upcycling. I would say 90% of the items that I've thrifted over the last 2 weeks have been about upcycling. Now, if you think back to my last thrift haul, which was my first one of the year, a lot of that stuff was just things that I wanted for myself and things I wanted to add to my wardrobe, and some things that I was going to put on my website that would be for sale. But this time I went in thinking about upcycling different items. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up and what I'm planning to do with some of those things. And I know I've talked about, I actually released a video, maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and I had I showed a few items that I had thrifted and that I was going to be working on over the next several months, and I never got around to it, and I packed that stuff away. So I'll get around to it at some point, but right now I'm focusing on getting some items that that I can put into an upcoming show. So I am participating in a virtual fashion show in April, and I'm going to have 5 pieces from my line in that show. So if I win the contest, then I will also have another 3 items in a different show later on in the spring. So I'm really excited about that. So let's get started talking about some of the pieces that I picked up. So this blazer, this is a men's blazer, and let me see. This says it was made in Yugoslavia. It is not lined except for the sleeves. It's very kind of unusual. I know that it's a men's jacket, but I liked the fabric on it. I like the color, and I thought I can do something with this. Now, under normal circumstances, I would be thinking, man, maybe I could do something with this for myself. But what I think I'm gonna do is take the sleeves off. I think I'm gonna do some kind of peplum in the back, and I think I'm gonna do one of those crossover vests like I made before. I really like this. One of the things I do feel like I'm gonna need to do is put a lining in it, because this is wool and it's itchy, and I don't like itchy. This jacket is Banana Republic. It was $3.50, and it is in one of my favorite colors. This blue, I just absolutely love. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I couldn't pass it up because the fabric was so great. It's fully lined. It's bigger than my size. It's a size 8. And I think it's a woman's jacket. I'm positive it is a woman's jacket. So it's a size 8 Banana Republic women's blazer. And I just love everything about it. So this is another one that I got dry cleaned, and I'm going to be upcycling. This one you guys saw on my video. I was in the store and I ran across it, and I saw these sleeves and I was in love. I was like, whatever I do, I'm maintaining these sleeves. So I'm thinking about cutting this off. I'm thinking about maybe some kind of mixed media, maybe adding some denim into it, maybe cutting the sleeves here. I'm not sure, but that's a definite for this. Okay, you'll notice that I have a little trend going. I have a lot of blazers because I love upcycling blazers. I love the deconstruction, and so that's what I'm going to do in a lot of these. Now, this is 2 pairs of pants. This is a pair of Let me just check so these are polyester, and these are, I want to say, cotton. You all saw me in the store when I picked these up on my last thrifting. So these are 100% cotton. These are LL Bean, and these are Covington. So name brands that we all know. When I picked up both of these, I thought, I'm going to do something with these together. I don't know what it's going to be, but these are definitely going to be paired up. Initially, I bought these pants. I was looking for a pair of pants in a solid color because I wanted to make a big puffy sleeve, and I didn't want to have to piece it together as much. So these pants, by the way, brand new with the tag still on. These are size 16, and judging by the size of the legs, when I open this up, I think this is going to be perfect for a nice sleeve. So I'm looking forward to working with that, and maybe I will start my video on that one so that you guys can see that process. You guys remember this from the video. I showed it when I was in the store. It is a Talbot's green satin skirt. And you know, I absolutely love this skirt. It retailed at $179. They marked it down to $119 and then to $88. And then somebody probably got it on sale. It was probably $88, marked down half from that, if I know anything about these items going on sale. And then they never wore it. So guess what? This is my great find. And what is great about this even more, it's got pockets. Yes, it's got pockets. So loving, loving, loving that. All right, let's do something from this end. All right, you guys saw this when I was in the store. This is a Harvey Bernard coat. And can I tell you that this coat is so amazing? And it had the belt, which was a plus. I cannot wait to start cutting this up. I said that in the store, but I absolutely mean it. I've got big plans for it. These pockets are amazing. I love the detail, the pleats on them. There's so much fabric here to work with. So I am thinking about some kind of different types of fabric. We've got a pocket up here that I would like to be able to work into the design, but it's such good fabric, and it was a zip-in, zip-out lining, and so that was included, although I don't think I'll need that. And if anybody's got ideas about what to do with these removable linings, let me know, because I've got two coats. This is the other one. This is the other trench that I picked up, and I can't remember who made this one. It doesn't have any tags, but it is a very well-made trench coat. It's got buttons on the vent, so I love that little design feature. And I love the set-in sleeve. So that Harvey Bernard has a raglan sleeve, which does make things a little bit more challenging. If it was a set-in sleeve, I could just pop another sleeve in there, but with the raglan sleeve, it's a little different. So it'll be interesting to work with. But this has a set-in sleeve, so it'll be easy to remove. And again, it's got a lot of extra fabric. So I'm definitely gonna cut off the bottom and create something really fun out of this. But again, if you guys got any ideas about what to do with those linings, let me know. This suit, this fabric, and this designer, this is a Hugo Boss two-piece men's suit. You guys know I love men's suits. Tons of ideas from this. This is a Super 100, and the pants, no lining in here, but you see how well made this is? You've got binding around the pockets. I mean, it's just a very well-made suit. And I'm going to chop it up. Looking here at the front, and there's a little puckering there, but I'm probably going to cut that off anyway. So Hugo Boss, and these suits, mind you, none of them were over $5. This blazer is by Charter Club. I forget who makes that brand, But again, something that I really, really like. And, you know, it makes me think about this one. Like, how could I blend these together? So I might see this coming to a TikTok video sometime soon. All right, and then the last of my jackets is this Lands' End men's tweed blazer. And I don't have any thoughts or ideas of it right now, but I thought it was great quality. I liked that it was in a larger size, so it gave me more fabric to work with. And so there we go. All right, so those are the jackets and blazers. And now we have some other pieces that I'm excited about. This woman's wool jacket. This is by Banana Republic. I found a lot of Banana Republic in the thrift store. This was half off, so this was $2.50. And this project, I'm not going to talk about it now, but it's coming soon. You'll probably see this project before this video gets released, but just know something fun is coming. I got several of these jackets because you guys know I'm working on some denim jackets. This green jacket by H&M. Again, this was like $2, and it's definitely something that I'm going to upcycle. And this other Banana Republic denim jacket, I thought this was really cute for an upcoming project. So keep an eye out for that, or rather, you probably saw it already. And then I did, I only brought one pair out to show you, but I did get a couple of white denim jeans because I don't have any white denim, and we're going into the spring and the summer, and so I'd like to add some of this to my upcycles. And then you guys, 3 more things here. You guys saw these camouflage, these colorful camouflage pants on the video. Aren't they just super, super cute? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I love, love, love color. They're a little too big for me, but I'm thinking I might just get a wear out of them and then cut them up. But I love these, and I love cargo pants. This is one of my favorites. This was a vintage kind of faux fur jacket, and it is beautiful. It is beautiful. It has beautiful black buttons on the front. It's got slip pockets here. It's kind of got a shortened sleeve, and it's super cute. I'm probably not gonna keep it. I think I'm going to put it up on my site as a resale. And then you guys saw the butterfly shirt from the Gap. Again, this is getting cut up because I don't like the style, but I love the butterflies on there. And then I decided to grab this pair of J. Crew gold corduroy pants. How totally nice are these? So definitely an upcycle, and not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but again, none of these items are like going to my wardrobe except for maybe the camouflage colorful pants. Everything else is an upcycle. So thanks for watching my upcycle thrift haul. Probably won't do another one of these for a while because seriously, I have a lot of work to do. So I'm looking forward to it, and thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get an update. See you next time. Bye.